Okay, the pizza's out of the oven after the first cooking. A couple of hints that I thought about. If your marinara sauce is hot, like if you've just fixed it and you're trying to use it on pizza, it will make the pizza stick to the board, and it will make it stick to your peel, and you'll just have a mess. So make sure your pizza sauce is room temperature or cooler, like refrigerator temperature. Yeah, that's probably the biggest thing. Typically this recipe does not get sticky, and it typically slides off the peel pretty easily. So I'm going to put our toppings on now, cook it again for 4.5 minutes at 550. Then I'll turn the oven off, turn the broiler on for 2 minutes while watching the pizza carefully so that you can watch to make sure the crust doesn't burn. But that final couple minutes of having it under the broiler really does its magic, because the cheese melts better, any toppings start to crisp up a little bit, so don't miss that step.